Good morning, everyone, from Northern California and the Russian River 1,000 Trails. Join us as we go to the ocean. It's hard to believe that just yesterday we were in the desert. So climb aboard, let's go.
Gary, Stacy, Spirit, and Sophie. We're taking our motorhome around the country. Throughout North America, we're on the road. It's Powhana Travels, here we go.
You ready to go to the ocean? Let's go. What you doing, Spirit? You checking out the window?
Hi, Spirit. What are you doing?
She's looking out the window.
Yeah. Watching the world go by.
Oh my gosh, guys.
I see redwood trees.
We are in the Redwoods. Woohoo! And we are basically about 12 miles from the Pacific Ocean.
Yeah, baby. And the road has to turn around the trees. Trees
Oh
don't
my
move.
God, look at this.
Look at this.
Holy cow! Woo-wee!
I love
Welcome to the Redwoods.
it. This is what we're doing today. Hi, guys.
Can you see our permagrins?
Yeah, we've made it into the Redwood Forest of Northern California.
Can you believe that just yesterday morning?
I know, yesterday morning we left the desert, the Southern California desert, the Mojave Desert. We were in there yesterday.
We blew through Central California.
Almost 480 miles yesterday to get here. And you know what? This is why.
This is absolutely amazing.
Pan around.
We'll give you a little shot.
Pan this way.
You know what else? I have no idea if I'm getting this shot or not. Yeah, I
Oh,
am.
the shot.
Oh, I never knew you loved trees so much.
I didn't either until we were gone, missing them for 4 months. And just the forest floor is amazing. It's beautiful. Highway 1. The bridge. All the drift, all the wood brought down from the floods. Are we going to see it?
It's the ocean!
Oh, Pacific Ocean!
Yay!
No way! We did it!
And that's not a bay, that is the
The
Pacific Ocean.
Nothing but ocean.
Wow.
That's what I live for right there.
Kind of windy day, huh? Yeah. Oh, puppies. And then there's Sophie. Hi, Sophie. What you doing?
Bagging it.
What you doing? Hi, guys.
Howdy, howdy, howdy! We made it to the Glass Beach area just outside Fort Bragg. Right now, we got a bit of liquid sunshine coming on down on us. It's actually kind of a nice feeling. We haven't had rain for, well, we had rain a little bit port side, but it's still nice. Yeah, this is expected. North coast of California in February. Yeah, it's gonna rain.
Sorry for any
Like it.
wind noise.
But that's what we came here for. We came here to see the water, and we came here for the storms. And Spirit's pulling me away. Where are you going? That's a cliff. You don't like cliffs.
Well, hey guys, we are at Glass Beach, and whew, here is some of the glass in the sand. It's pretty cool. There it is.
So this isn't a piece of glass. It's actually a piece of pottery. You see the clay pottery, the color of it? Enamel on both sides, and the blue ink. I was here at the Glass Beach. Kind of neat.
Pretty cool. I'm glad we made it.
Absolutely.
I wish the sun was shining.
Look at that.
Looks like a piece of ice.
Not cold like ice, a little bit salty. So here we are at the Nagy River. There's a bunch of charter fishing boats out here. You can see in the marina back over there. A bunch of fishing boats. They go out in the morning time. They go get their fishing on and catch what they can catch and bring it back in and package and sell the rest of it. So we're gonna go in over here and see what we can find.
He's waving. Oh my god, it smells fabulous.
It smells like seafood in here.
This is the fish parade.
All right, so we got the Dungeness crab, we got the wild king,
Oh, that's a lot of ice.
prawns, halibut. No, that's
We don't
cod.
shy away from our ice.
A lot of good fish here.
You need more ice? No, that's
That Lincoln is good. But you can't beat king. How old is that king salmon?
king salmon. I don't know how old it is because it's from Alaska.
Oh, so you shoot it down. So it's not fresh here.
Exactly.
And the cod is fresh here.
Oh yeah, the lingcod is fresh here. We get that right off the boats.
I think we have to do off the boats.
You want to do off the boat? Well, right here.
Because we'll have plenty of king
We'll have plenty
Alaska.
of king in Alaska next year.
Yeah.
Well, no, I'm sorry. In
3
we'll
months.
be there in 3 months. 4 or 6 months. Let's do a big old thing there. Big old fillet of king cod.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Well, as you can see, we made it back to the motorhome,
Yes, we are.
and Gary cooked us up the Lynn cod.
Yeah, the cod, yeah, the Lynn cod that we got. I did a basically a lemon and butter wash with Ritz cracker and herbs and spices for the crumb crust, and baked it in a convection oven. It's done. We'll see how it is.
So we hope that you enjoyed our truck hike today to Fort Bragg in the ocean.
We had a great time at the ocean. It was awesome, amazing to be there again. It's been since San Diego that we actually were at the ocean. And that is our heart, that is our soul. That's where we need to be.
And up here in Northern California, it's very similar to the Oregon coast. So
Yeah.
we definitely felt at home.
This is great.
So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up down below. Leave us a comment if you'd like. And until next time, Pauhana. Thank you for watching Pauhana Travels. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below to let us know, or leave us a comment, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to keep up with our next Pauhana Adventures of Life.
Until next time, Pauhana.
It's Pauhana Travel.